the last time you shaved?
A couple days ago.
Well,
Do we go to Giant?
yeah.
What was that?
We backed into a branch.
Drop my phone, I gotta get it. Got it. I have it now. I'm gonna put it in my pocket.
Good.
Didn't they make new hospital rooms?
Yes, over there.
The green ones?
No. The ones that are closest to the street here.
Yeah. How many? A lot?
Yeah, it's like 200.
That's a lot. St. Jay's is a small hospital.
St. Joe's.
Yeah. Or is it a big hospital?
Well, it's a small one compared to the others.
Pottstown is a small one.
Yeah. Is the temperature all right back there?
The coldness?
Yeah.
It's good. I was thinking we could take Bella for a walk.
Well, I don't know if we're going to have time.
Because we gotta play checkers.
Well, we have to go to the store first. See how long that takes us.
What do you need at the store?
A whole list of things.
A whole cart full?
Yeah. Read that offer.
Yeah. Got it. Those seeds, fruit, cereal, wheat thins. What's the fourth one say? Is that a or is that an N?
Spell it for me.
P-O-E-S-S.
Cheerios.
Cheerios. Gold. Raisins. Cookies. Butter.
What kind of cookies?
Raisin cookies. And butter, cheese, cut, and OJ. 2 of them.
Oh boy.
I was practicing my typing a couple of days ago. Here's the list. Or should I keep it with me?
Oh,
You got it?
I'm Sandy.
Who do you vote for judge?
It's 3:43 on Deverly.
You vote for judge?
yeah, but there's no vote right now.
Who won? Tina?
I don't know who won.
Tina Boyd. The blonde-haired one. Looks
I
like
think she did. That was back in May, 2 months ago.
May 25th?
No, May the 8th.
May the 8th?